In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user roles and permissions in Goodday. Managing who can do what in your workspace is essential for keeping your projects organized and secure. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can confidently assign the right level of access to each team member. Let's start from your main Goodday workspace. First, look toward the lower left corner of your screen and find your profile icon. This is usually your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu with options related to your account and your organization. From that menu, choose Organization Settings. This is where all the high-level controls for your company live, including user management and permissions. When you click Organization Settings, you'll be taken to a settings page that may have quite a few options, so don't worry if it looks busy. On this settings page, scroll down until you see the section related to company configuration. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Company Users. This is the area where you can view and manage everyone who is part of your Goodday organization. Once you see Company Users, click on it. This will open a list of all users in your company account. Here you can quickly scan through names and see who is already set up. Take a moment to locate the person whose role or permissions you want to adjust. Next, select a user from this list by clicking on their name. This will open that user's profile or info page where you can see more details about their account within your organization. On the user's info page, look for the field labeled Company Role. This is the setting that controls their overall level of access in your Goodday environment. Click on Company Role to open the list of available roles. You'll now see the different role options your organization has configured, such as standard users, managers, or administrators, depending on how your Goodday account is set up. Carefully select the role that best matches what this person should be allowed to do. For example, choose a higher level role only for people who need to manage projects or other users, and a more limited role for those who just need to complete tasks. After you select the appropriate role, the change is applied to that user's account. And that's it. You've successfully updated their role and, with it, their permissions in Goodday.